Hey guys, so my special guest is with me. Say hi. Instead of, playing with my hair and putting it in my mouth. Okay, so tonight I'm going to be talking about May promos, products for Young Living. I know it's the end of May, and so, you still can put it in, and it still counts as May. But, I've been a little bit busy, but that's a whole nother video to share with you guys. And, so I still want to get this video out because I finally got the time to do it. And I thought, why not bring Olivia on board with me? Because she's up and, she looks a little tired, but she wants to be up with me. So I guess she's going to be in the video with me. Yeah. Okay. So. Oh my gosh. Hey. Mommy has to look at that. Look. Okay. Okay. Alright. Sorry, guys. Give me 1 second. Here you go. There you go. You want to play with Mommy Karen? Yeah, I know. Okay. Alright. So for the month of May, if you reach 100 PV, you would get a bonus Essential Awards 2-ounce Thieves Aroma Bright toothpaste. And you would be saving $7.57. If you do 190 PV, you'd be getting a 15 milliliter bottle of patchouli, the bonus Essential Award 15 milliliter bottle of lavender, and a bonus Essential Awards 2-ounce Thieves Aroma Bright toothpaste. And you would be saving $85.20. If you reach 200 PV, you'd be getting 15 milliliter bottle of geranium essential oil, 15 milliliter bottle of patchouli, the bonus Essential Awards 15 milliliter bottle of lavender, and a bonus Essential Awards 2-ounce Thieves Aroma Bright toothpaste. And you'd be saving $141.12. If you do 300 PV, you'd be saving $196.71. And what comes with 300 PV is you'd get a free charcoal bar soap. And that soap is actually really... Yeah. That soap is actually really good, and it smells really good. But the soap cleanses excess oil without stripping the necessary oils from your skin. Sorry, guys. It's kind of hard holding her and trying to read my notes. Okay, so the next free product you get for 300 PV would be a 5 milliliter bottle of Blue Cypress essential oil. And you can add a few drops of Blue Cypress essential oil to your favorite moisturizer, and it will help keep your skin glowing. I never tried that, but I will try that and let you guys know. Also, it's also good for diffusing, and it has a woodsy scent to it. So if you kind of like that outdoorsy smell, all that, nature stuff, that's a good one to diffuse. Okay, and then the next one is the 15 milliliter bottle of geranium essential oil. That one you can use by replacing the synthetic perfumes and switching it with the geranium essential oil. So I love geranium essential oil. I found one trick that if you have tangled hair, you put a few drops of geranium essential oil on the brush, and it detangles your hair like that. And I've tried it, and it's really good, and it keeps your hair smelling good. So that's a good one. So you can apply it to your wrist or your neck, and then it's also good for diffusing. So and it helps to bring a sense of peace to your day. That's a good one if you're having a crazy day. Pop geranium inside the diffuser, and that may help you. Okay. Okay, and then the next one would be, what is it? Patchouli? Yeah. 15 milliliter bottle of patchouli. And that enhances the look of your hair by adding patchouli. So you can add it to your shampoo or conditioner, and it's also good for diffusing. I've never tried patchouli, but that one's a pretty popular one I've heard. So, that's a good one to try. The 15 milliliter bottle of lavender essential oil if you can add a few drops of lavender to lotion, shampoos, and skincare products for a classic aroma. For a classic aroma. So just the smell of the lavender is really good. Everyone who knows, who use Young Living knows that Young Living, jeez, that lavender is one of their popular essential oils that people use. Hi guys, NaJae back here. So, once you see this video, it's going to stop and then it's going to come back. It's because my phone ran out of storage, so I had to delete a few things. And yes, my partner in crime is gone. She was, getting a little sleepy, so I gave her a bottle, and now she is out. Okay, so like I was saying, lavender essential oil. Everyone who knows, who uses Young Living knows that Young Living. I did it again. Knows that lavender essential oil is one of their popular essential oils. I use it for my homemade hand foaming soap that I make, and that's actually one of my mom's favorite product that I make. I also use lavender. I also make lavender lip balms, so I like using lavender. I like the smell of it, and I also like how it helps with my skin. But that's for a whole other video, and I think that I have a video of why I started using Young Living, and lavender was actually the main reason why I decided to go all crazy about essential oils, because I believe in them and I know what it's done to me and how it has helped me in the past. So and it still helps me. I use them for my daughters. So but I'm getting off track. But like I said, lavender is a very good one to keep for anyone who's just starting with essential oils. That's a good one to use. And it also, if you can't sleep at night, you can put in a few drops in your diffuser, and that helps a lot. I remember when I first used it, and I had the whole house knocked out. So that's a good one to keep, if you need help resting at night. All right. And then the last one is the bonus essential reward 2-ounce Thieves Aroma Bright toothpaste. And that helps with dental stains, and it also helps to keep your gums and teeth looking healthy and your breath fresh. I can't read today. I can't speak today either. But I have seen a few recipes, a few tips that people have used different essential oils on the Thieves toothpaste. I think citrus fresh was one, or lemon was one, but it helps. But I'm not sure. But there's all different reasons why all different tips and tricks that you can find out. You don't just have to use my ideas. There's a bunch of different ideas on how people use these products. But those are the free products that are for the month of May. That, whatever PV that you reach, that's the free products that you get. So that's a really good deal. And then also for the month of May, for new members who sign up with the Premium Starter Kit, you also get the Thieves, I believe it's the Thieves cleaner and a Thieves bottle, cleaner bottle. I believe it's a spray bottle. But that's really awesome. So you're getting a lot of free products on top of purchasing your Premium Starter Kit. So that's a really good deal. And that deal ends the end of May. So I believe 31st at 11:59 is when that deal expires. So if you want to sign up, if you want to know more about Essential Wars, please leave a comment down below, or just inbox me. But thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Olivia, Rara, say hi to Mommy's YouTube channel. Say hi. Look, you're not gonna say hi? You just gonna play with the shoe?